All right, guys. Hey, I wanted to kind of put this unpolished little video explainer video out to everyone that has been interested in joining our Mastery Academy and Referral Program. I have to apologize if you saw my email back in the beginning of June and you booked a discovery call and you either had your discovery call or the discovery call was missed. You have my sincere apologies. I put that email out on my way out of the country. I was literally in the airport headed to Mexico for my 20th year anniversary. So we were gone for a week. Then we came back with a parasite and had multiple ER visits the following week. And then I've been spending this week making some adjustments and some corrections and catching up from some of the questions that we had from those of you that did have discovery calls or saw the full program. So if you've seen this either in a private call or on a webinar that I did a few weeks ago, this is a refined, ironed out, updated program from what you may have seen before. And if you didn't see it before, but you were interested before, be glad, because this is the program after we worked some of the kinks out. And what I'm going to show you today is really a result of adjustments made based on feedback that I was getting from some folks that we showed this to before. So previously there was to start with, there was only one model. So it was just one model. We had a lot of interest in some markets. In other markets, it was a normal amount of interest, but in certain markets, it was a lot of interest. In our previous model, because we were trying to fund the whole market on the backs of individuals, could get a little bit more expensive than some of you guys were comfortable spending. We were pushing into the $1,200, $1,300, $1,400 a month range. And is it worth it? Yes, absolutely. You're going to get a return on those ranges. Is the coaching that we're doing worth that much money alone without the referrals? Absolutely, it is. But we were getting some feedback that it was just a little bit out of the price range for some of the folks that we were talking to. Another thing is part of the money that we were charging on that very first iteration that we put out was going toward purchasing leads. Some of you already had leads. Part of it was going toward creating content. Some of you didn't want to create content. Now, I'm going to encourage you guys through coaching to create content. Some of you already created your own content. You didn't need more. Some of it was going toward different things that we were asking you to do that may not have been perfectly applicable in your market. So we've stripped out all the accessories for what I'm about to show you guys. Fast forward a couple of weeks, and maybe week and a half ago, I put out a webinar where there were 2 tiers, and there was really nothing in between. So after lots of feedback, talking to multiple people, I want this, I don't want that. Is there anything in between? I don't want to go $97. I also don't want to go $1,000. I want something in the middle. So after all that was said and done, we landed on 3 partnership tiers. And I'm just going to show those to you guys really quickly. They are on the website, by the way. So I'm going to actually share the updated website and just kind of show you what we have and do a little bit of extra explaining on a few of these things. So we are here looking at the homepage of probatemastery.com. If this doesn't look familiar, I've updated a whole lot. So I'm going to just kind of jump in here to membership really quickly and show you what membership looks like. So tier number one is the Coaching Foundation. There's people that just want some hand holding. You just want to get really good at your conversation. You don't necessarily need referrals. I get my own business. I don't need extra business. I want to see how good the coaching is. So this is if you want role play only, and role play only is $77 a month. We have 2 live Zoom sessions every single week on Tuesdays. I'm looking at potentially making this 3 sessions on Tuesdays. Right now it's just 2. So we role play everything from cold calls to lead follow-up and nurture calls to attorney appointments, to vendor team networking, the calls and the prospecting that you do when you network with your vendors, to listing appointments, anything that's dialogue focused. That's what we're training and role playing on. So there's always a little bit of training in each one, going over techniques that I've developed and used in my practice for many, many years. If you guys have heard me role play, pretty decent. Okay. It's, I'll leave it at that. Okay. So every Tuesday we get together, we practice, we role play, and we learn the techniques and strategies I use when I'm selling and prospecting and networking. Okay. So this is $77 a month. No leads come with this, no referrals. What I need to be able to do in each market where we operate is I need to be able to find a way to fund lead purchasing. So I have to purchase data. I need to fund content marketing. So I need to put content, video, blog, web, social media content in that market to generate referrals. And I also need to fund the cold callers. In some cases, that's people. In some cases, that's AI. But we need to fund the actual prospecting to generate leads and conversations. I can't do that at $77 a month, but I'm going to teach you how to do that at $77 a month. Okay. If you want the same thing at $297 a month, this actually helps us fund. I spend way more than $297 a month to buy data, to prospect the data, to create content. I do expect that most markets are going to have more than one person. I know there's a few markets that'll just have an individual, one individual, but most of the time we'll have a couple of members. So this program gets the same 2 group role play and script training sessions, same ones, except we generate referrals as well. So we're going to be creating content as calls come in. We hand those conversations to you. As people email in, we hand those to you. If we reach out to a family or an heir going through probate or an executor going through probate, they answer the phone, they confirm who they are, they have a conversation with us, and those to you. So this is really, and I want to majorly emphasize this, all 3 of these, they're about coaching. They are about coaching. What we want to do is we want to train you up, coach you up to generate your own business. We want you to be doing your own marketing, becoming your own linchpin in the community to where people come to you, building your own pipeline, creating your own sites, creating your own content. We're going to coach you on all those things. Simultaneously, we're going to be out doing it for our network as well and handing the referrals to our members. So this one gets the referrals. Now, I want to be pretty clear that tier 2, which we're on right now, gets generally the referrals are shared. So if there's more, that's first thing. If there's more than one member in your market, those opportunities, those conversations are shown to 2 of you. Now, we're not saying, hey, John, go call this lead. Hey, Mary, go call this lead. That's not the way we do it. What we do is we show you the conversation that was had. It's shown a conversation has been initiated in your market. This is what they said. And you have an opportunity to jump on the phone and establish a relationship with them. Some of the conversations are warm. Yes, I want to sell a house. I'm reaching out to a state aid network to sell my house. I want to talk to someone. Some of those conversations are still needing some nurturing. A lot of the conversations still need nurturing. They might reach out and they might say, I need an attorney. I need help filling out a form. I need a landscaper. I need an estate sale company. Those conversations come to you guys. They may reach out and they might say, hey, I've got to sell a house. Those conversations are shared with you all. They may, on the flip side, reach out and not reach out. We may, on the flip side, reach out to them, and the person might say, hey, I would rather talk to someone local in the market. That happens in the case of maybe one of our VAs or ISAs reaching out. We give them an opportunity to say, no, I'd rather talk to someone local. That to me is a hand raise, whether it's hot or needs some nurturing. Our AI caller reaches out very frequently and hears from people that, hey, I'd rather talk to a real person. As a matter of fact, our AI caller is programmed to, early in the conversation, number one, get the person to identify that they are the right person. Number two, get them to identify that they are representing the estate that we're calling about. So immediately we confirm that we've got the right person. Number three, the AI, if it's an AI caller, will say, hey, I just wanted to let you know before I tell you why I called that I'm actually an AI assistant for the Estate Aid Network. That's our kind of sister company that we're calling on behalf or marketing on behalf of. And then it says, would you rather talk to a real person, or are you okay talking with me for a couple of minutes? 50-50. Some people say, no, yeah, tell me what's up. And they go on. Other people say, no, I'd rather talk to a real person. In a case like that, did the AI or did the ISA, if it was a real VA or ISA, did they get into real estate? No. But do we have permission for one of our members to now reach out? They have identified themselves as being someone that is open to a conversation. They answer the phone, they're the right person, they have a working number, they're open to a conversation. So we're handing those. Lastly, up here on the accelerator program, this is same coaching to a degree. We add 3 extra sessions to it, and the sessions are kind of described in the email copy. We are doing workshops where we're building content that you use in your market with your branding and your name on it. That could be video, blog, social posts, social content, website, anything to kind of establish your authority in the space. Number 2 is we're doing weekly accountability sessions where we're tracking your KPIs, we're tracking your business plan, your business progression and projects. Number 3 is we always do a floating topic, and that floating topic could be anything from listing appointments to attorney office visits to attorney YouTube visits to how to set up your YouTube studio, a lot of different things. I'm just throwing some ideas out. There's always a floating topic every week. So in addition to the 2 role play sessions, if you're in tier 3, you're going to get 3 additional sessions. They're all recorded. You get a library so that you can access anything that you've missed or any topics that you want to go deeper on. You can always access those out of the library. Tier 3 members get personalized individual referrals, still the same type of conversations. Maybe there's real estate that's been discussed, maybe there hasn't, but it only goes to you. Only goes to you. The only time we would ever open that up to other members would be if you don't communicate or reach out to your lead, but you've got a day to basically make first contact or give first update where it's exclusively yours, and then we'll take it away if you have not, only if you have not made contact. Now, what do the referrals do? Referrals, if real estate was discussed, it's a 25% referral fee back to us. If real estate was not discussed by us up front before it was handed to you and you turn it into a real estate deal, it's a 20% referral fee. So we initiate the conversation. And we initiated a conversation where real estate was not discussed, 20% referral fee if you get a closing. If we initiate a conversation where real estate was discussed by us before we hand it to you, you get a closing, 25% referral fee. Now, the very last thing that I'm going to tell you is in order to get these prices to where we've gotten them, because they are, in my opinion, low, nothing is this low. We did get our data from a source that has given us a steep discount, and they've not given us a resale agreement. So we cannot, if we're buying the probate leads that we're using to prospect, we can't turn those over and give to our partners. However, we can pass our discount through to you. So if you were looking for probate data, you'll be able to get that for $1 per record. And that's based on the average number of leads in your market. So if you're in a market that averages 100 leads in the county per month, and you say, hey, I want all the leads in my county. We'd look at the average and we'd say, hey, it's 100, that's a month. And if you're buying probate leads now, you know that's an absolute steal. There's some other things that could possibly be added on in the future. For example, you want to customize our existing resources packages that go out, and you want to send those to your leads. We could always customize those resources packages for you and send those on your behalf for $15. They're really good. You don't have to make that decision now. You haven't even seen the resources packages, but we show you in coaching. And if you say, hey, I'd rather just piggyback on what you guys already have, you can do that. $15 every time we send a resources package, and it includes postage. If you record video content, you want us to edit it, we can edit it. $150 for every full-blown edit. So that's a long form 10, 15, 20-minute video, plus between 3 and 5 short form videos cut out and edited and doctored up so that you can post. So if you wanted us to do that, it's always something that could be added on. There's just little add-ons here and there. If you decide that you want to bake something into your program, you can piggyback on the relationships or the discounts or the services that we already have. Absolutely not required. I did want you guys to know that your business can end up costing you more than $297 or $797 a month, but we normally have resources that you can piggyback on at discounts to do so. So just wanted to kind of run through what those options were. These two are going to come with a referral agreement. You sign it once, and then once you convert that conversation into a deal and close, you would give us a referral agreement, a referral fee. All right, and that's all I have. I wanted to kind of run through the program and let you guys see it. Let's see if I can take this down. I appreciate the patience. I hope we haven't overstayed our welcome in your inbox, because I know some of you guys were really anxious to hear what the model was and get started before. But hopefully this is much more favorable to you from what you may have previously seen, much more affordable, and gives you more flexibility to go up or down through our 3 tiers. Okay. I will talk to you guys really soon. Hope to see you inside of the program. Can't wait to get you into the coaching, get you practicing with me, get you working through some of these workshops together, and ultimately sending you conversation handoffs. Thanks.